Welcome to the Hopper community, a place where you can connect with all Hopper educators worldwide. Let's start with logging in. You will see a screen like this, where you can join and explore the community. If you click on Join, you will have the option to create a new account. You will now see the home screen of your community. Let's add the Hopper community to your bookmarks bar to ensure you can access the Hopper community quickly and easily. The Hopper community platform has some fantastic features that make it very user-friendly. In the main community, the content in your activity feed is personalized based on spaces that you have joined and people you have followed. You might see discussions, polls, or questions. An easy way to start participating is to answer one of these questions. Let's talk about the upper right navigation. You can set up your profile, which you want to do right away because it makes it easier to connect with other members. Clicking on the member icon and then going to personal settings will let you adjust everything, including notifications. Notifications help make sure you never miss anything in the community, but of course, you can change everything to suit your preferences. And speaking of notifications, the bell icon will notify you of activity on anything you've interacted with. The Discover tab includes posts, events, courses, and more. The Discover tab services various information including featured articles, popular posts, topics you might want to explore, and spaces you wish to join. The Members tab lets you see and connect with other Hopper community members. And while we're talking about members, if you click on your profile and select See All Activity, you will see everything you've interacted with in the Hopper community. The Events tab has information about upcoming Hopper events. The Topics hashtag tab takes you to the topics created by the Hopper hosts. You can click on the Topics hashtag to find existing articles and conversations. We have these collections. You can think of them as folders. We organize spaces within them. The Groups tab is where you can find all the groups that are available to join. Many of the groups focus on a variety of topics, and if you want to see a group on a specific topic or a private group just for your school and it's not here, just ask your host to set it up. You can explore and join a space if you see an icon that looks like this. Once you join a new space, it will be added to your left-hand menu. When new content is added, this space will appear bold. The Get Hopper Certified tab takes you where you can enroll in the Hopper Champion Certification Program. The courses are designed for educators and school leaders and are free to participate in. The Hopper Champion courses consciously, purposefully, and meaningfully support the best digital age teaching and learning practices. The Hopper Learning Bites tab takes you where you can register for our micro-credential courses. These courses are the quickest way to level up your Hopper skills. Here you can find our Hopper store. You can click here and shop and see what's available for yourself, your school, your district, or division. The Hopper Graduate Credit tab allows you to enroll in the Hopper Champion Certification Program for graduate credit with Ashland University. Let's get started by creating a post. Next, add a hashtag to your post to keep the content in the community organized. Now you are ready to explore, share, and collaborate with Hopper educators worldwide. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.